Okay, so the next thing I would like you to do is to add the pro version of this. Normally Elementor is not free. Okay, we have the free widgets. What we are seeing here are called widgets. Okay, so we have the free version of the widget, and we also have the pro version. So for us to be using the widget that are down here, we must pay money for that, but we will not pay money. Okay, we will not pay money. We must subscribe. We will not do that. That is a way to get it, okay, to unlock this one freely, okay, without paying any money, because this one will give us much freedom to design the websites. It will give us much freedom to design the websites, that we can do a lot of things with the pro version. So how are we going to do to unlock it? Okay, so this is what I want to show you now. Now let me go back to my dashboard. Good, so I'm back to my dashboard, and Elementor were activated already. Now what I want to do is that I'll click on a new tab here on the plus here, and then search for Pro Elements, and I'll press enter. So after I click on Pro Elements, I scroll down, you see here, you'll see Pro Elements, and the website is proelements.org. So I'll click on this, and then I will download it. Yes, download ProElements. I will save it. Good, it's downloading. It is even done. It is 3 megabytes. It's done downloading. So what I will do next, I'll go back to my dashboard where I was working here. Good, and then still on plugin. Okay, I'm still here under plugin here. Add plugin. I'm still there. So I'm clicking on add plugin again, and then here upload plugin. I'll click on it like this, and open my download. So the pro element is done downloading, so I'll click on it like this, and then drag it, and then I leave it, so it will come automatically here. If you can't find your download, just go to your file explorer by doing Windows and E. Automatically take you to a file explorer. You click on download, and then you see your pro element that you can now also drag it and drop it over there. Okay, so when I'm done dropping my Elementor here in the plugin, I will click on install now, and here after installing it, I'll click on activate plugin. You will see that anytime we install something, when we are done installing, we have to activate it, because when you install it, you make it available. Okay, you make it available, but when you activate it, you're not seeing it, then we can now use it. So you always have to install and activate. Don't just install. If you install, it will not be in use. It's there, it's available on your website, but it's not in use. So when you click on activate, it become now usable. So you could see now that in under plugin, we have Elementor here and Pro Elements. Okay, now it means that we are successfully installed our Pro Element. Now we'll go to pages. We'll click on all pages here, and then we'll add our first page. Okay, so here the first page where the page we were trying to edit with Elementor has been added here. You can click on it again and delete it, move to trash and apply. It is gone. Now let's add our own page. So I click on add page on top here, click on add page, and then we should name our page home page. So this what we are having here is called the WordPress editor. We don't want to use that. We can also use the WordPress editor to design your page, or also write your post, your article, okay, or your content on your website, but we don't want to use that. We want to use Elementor. So I'll just close it, and then here add title, I will enter home page, and then come here to the right corner here and click on publish again. Good, I just created a page like this, my first page. So far there is nothing on the page, and I'll go here, click on edit with Elementor, because this is what I'll be using. So anytime I'm ready to design, I have to open my page, select the page, and then edit it with Elementor. If it's a post, I open the post and I click on edit it with Elementor. So anytime throughout this training, we'll be using Elementor. Now let's scroll down some more here. You see, let's scroll down. You see that the Pro version, there is no more padlock on it. That is to tell you that yes, we can now use the Pro version of Elementor. We are even using the Pro version already like this. So anything we need is here.